3 places AI is already in your life. What I wish I knew at last, CES, not AI is coming. AI is already in your phone right now, in your TV too, and in your fridge. Here's why that matters. CES became a live market test for AI gadgets. Companies piled AI into gadgets to see if people bite. Nvidia brought massive compute power for on-device AI. Samsung put AI into smart TV screens, and into its flagship phones. Lenovo's laptops can write content for you, summarize documents quickly, and multitask across apps for you. The takeaway: prototypes aren't just for press. Real demo lines mean real consumer demand. For buyers, that means smarter devices sooner. For competitors, it's a fast-moving arms race. If you care about convenience, creativity, and saving time, pay attention to these gadgets. Watch this space. AI gadgets are graduating from novelty to necessity.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, book called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.